Hi guys. Welcome back to the PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, we will learn about how to add Shopify product details in PageFly. And don't forget that we have 24/7 live chat so you can reach out anytime you need help. The product details element is designed to allow you to include any product from your Shopify store on your page in order to enhance conversion rates. If you want to create a product page, let's check out our video tutorials in the description. Also, please remember to assign products to your product page. To access the product details element, you can click on the second icon in the element catalog, which is the Add Shopify element function. I will choose this element to see its parameters. On the General tab, the product source will come up with two options: Auto and Custom Product. If you choose Auto, then there is a product that was assigned when you created this product page, that will be displayed in the page editor. If you choose a custom product, you can select the product you want. When you use a custom product, there will be a default variant option. Now, head to the Styling tab, which allows you to customize the content color, padding, margin, typography. Note that, when you choose content color for product detail, it will change all the content elements inside the product details. If you want to change the content color of a specific element inside product details, you can click on each element to archive that. For example, I will click on the product title and change it here. If you want to change the width of the column, simply move the mouse between to see the blue line and adjust it as you want. Next, you can edit the product media by clicking on it and it will show its parameter. To know more details about product media, please check out our product media video in the description. As you can style for each element inside the product details, I will show you an example of product variants. Product variant element comes with plenty of parameters allowing you to fine-tune content appearance for the best possible conversion rate. For instance, I will turn off the combine options, here I will radio buttons, and variant spacing will be 16 pixels. It's gonna look like this. You can also check our description for the product variants video tutorials. Now, to access the option swatches configuration, you can turn it on here. To know more details about the option swatches, please check out our video tutorial in the description. Moreover, you can add product elements to the product detail. Please note that you will need to make sure these elements will be placed inside the product detail and it will show the information of the product you assign for the page. For example, I will drag the product title here. It will automatically be the name of the assigned product. Last but not least, you can drag and drop an element, or delete from product details. Like this. You can also move the elements to other positions just like I do here. Easy, right? Let's hit the Save and Publish button to see the result now. Check it out. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.